In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use labels in Jira. Organizing and managing your projects effectively can greatly enhance productivity, and labels are a fantastic way to categorize and track issues quickly and efficiently. Let's walk through how you can add, use, and manage labels within Jira, and then see how powerful these can be when using Jira Query Language, or JQL. First, to begin adding labels to an issue, you'll want to open up the specific issue you're interested in labeling. Once you've got the issue open, find the Labels field in the issue details. This field is typically located in the main details area, making it easily accessible. When you're ready to add a label, type your desired label or labels into this field. Use spaces or commas to separate multiple labels. Press enter to apply these labels to your issue. This process helps differentiate tasks effectively, allowing you to access information with precision. Additionally, for more streamlined label management, you can leverage any previously created labels. When you start typing, a convenient drop-down will appear, showcasing your existing labels. This makes it easy to maintain consistency in your labeling system, ensuring seamless organization across your project. Now let's talk about using labels in JQL. If you're not familiar with JQL, it stands for Jira Query Language, which is a powerful search tool within Jira that allows you to pull specific issues quickly. By using the labels JQL operator, you can search for and display issues with particular labels. For example, if you want to find all issues that have been tagged with the label editor, your query would simply be labels equals editor. This is particularly helpful in large projects where filtering through multiple issues efficiently is key. If you find yourself needing to remove a label from an issue, you can do this just as easily. Navigate back to the issue where you want the label removed. Once you open the issue, locate the labels field. You'll usually find this under the details section. Click on the label field to modify it. To remove a label, simply click the small X next to the label in question. This will delete the label from the issue. To ensure your changes are saved, click anywhere outside the field. This action locks in the update so you won't have to worry about duplicating work. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to add, manage, and utilize labels in Jira with confidence. Labels not only bring order to your project tracking, but also empower you to harness the full potential of JQL for efficient data retrieval. Keep practicing these steps, and in no time you'll find yourself navigating issues like a pro. Happy organizing!